All right, hold up, hold up, hold up. Let's go. I'm about to. Mhm. All right, that's crazy. Okay, so for gold, we're not even in gold yet, but I'm entering gold twice off the hour and off the 4 hour um time efficiency. So from here to here to here is an hour. We can get an entry here because it broke structure from here, showing that it wants to go up.
Seasoned salmon. Damn, that's good. Wow. I'm actually impressed. That's This has been the age-old question in all of combat sports. Who wins in a fight? Wrestler versus boxer, or even just grappling versus striking in general? And seeing as I'm a professional undefeated boxer, and my daughters wrestle as well, I was about to go become a state champion. I can speak on this, and I can tell you, there's only one thing. There's only one factor that plays a role into who wins this fight. Where's this fight taking place? If it's close quarters, like that bathroom was, oh, the wrestler is. Are we angry? Oh.
All right. All right, let's go. Now, I want to break down. Let's break down this. So, I'm gonna tell you how easy it is to break and add on position. So, as you can see, we doing U.S. peso. So, as the U.S. peso, as you can see, overall, it's a downtrend. What you're doing is following trend, and this follows trend to like a fucking T. So, you see how nice this follows trend? Like, granted, so like, look how nice this follows trend. It breaks the lows, comes back, doesn't break highs, come back down, hits equal highs. Boom, new high. Boom, new high, comes back down, breaks here, hits equal highs, makes new highs, comes here. Like I said, sometimes it doesn't work. Like, granted, it comes here, you buy, boom, And boom, you're there for 2 days. It doesn't work. You come down. All right, you lose. Boom, you probably could come back up in a day. You probably exit right here because like, hey, or you could just stay in because hey, I'm gonna come up to here. Take it or leave it. You'll lose. Like I said, everything ain't perfect. Everything can't be perfect, but you can accumulate bears. So you see how I sold off here, came back down, doesn't come back down, and hits right here, goes to right here. Boom, comes here. What it does? What does it do? Sell off here, boom, comes here, boom, boom, boom. Doesn't come down, then it breaks back up to the upside. Like I said, the market ain't really perfect. This ain't GJ is a nice pair for this because it follows to like a fucking T. Um, I noticed I do still like this pair per se because it can do something like boom, it breaks structure here at the highest point, comes down, comes up, goodbye right here, comes up here, new point. It doesn't go as far down per se. So comes here, breaks high, comes up, comes here, comes here, comes here, doesn't break low. Hit equal high. As long as hit equal highs, I'm down for that. Your main goal is not the equal high. So as in just keep re-entering. So boom. So say you in this 30 day like so you in this from July 18 and then it's August what? It's about August 7th or July 18, August 7. Boom, it comes here. Boom, you get your answer. Just say you want to re-enter and you still in this. Boom, you hit here. It hit equal highs. This is just the benefit of holding for equal highs. So boom, it hit here, comes high. Boom, it hits another high. So boom, it comes here. Boom, boom, it comes here. Boom, boom. We probably get this wickage, and then you just keep adding for new highs, and then you just get out like somewhere like right here. Now we're in sales. Now we in sales. So boom. What is the sell? So we go off the day. It's just go off the day. Boom. So anything you see daily, so lower lows makes a low. Let me draw it out. This is the new low. So uh this was the previous do I want to start from here? Let's just start from here. So boom, boom, it stays here for a minute. It comes down to previous low. So anything from 2 to 3 is still a sell bias on a longer time frame, on a daily time frame. What you want to do is wait till you get to 4 to come back to 5. As long as it doesn't break 2. So that's why I have entries off the daily. Now, this is how you get into long more positions. And this is what I do off GJ. So, off GJ. So, off the 4 hour, as you can see, it is bias still. So this can still kind of hit up to here. It can still, it's just, this is your daily hold. This is your daily hold. It can just come up, it'll probably come back up and then probably come back down just to fill off the 4 hour, or it could just break 4 hour. Because they don't have, like, as you can see, the 4 hour was here, it was buying here, it doesn't come above here. That means it probably, and if it breaks this, it's telling me it doesn't want to go up. Because look, off the 4 hour, what happens? Higher highs, boom, makes a new high here, boom. Oh, it made a high here, boom, comes back down, makes a new high here, boom. And then this is kind of like the low. So anything below here, what we would do. And then when price go below this area, we just see where it goes. And as long as it doesn't break back right here again, um, you're good. So you're as into something all smaller. That's your 4 hour entry. Now, this will be your 4 hour, no matter where prices. You gotta wait till a price breaks out though. The overall, this is what you want. This is how you get the longer time frame off like smaller time frames. So I'm not saying you can really do this. I usually would just scale in some time to time off like 1 hour 15, not really per se 4 hour because the stop loss is long. So per se I would do like, and then you have to look at the market conditions. Like you have to look at it like if it really showing you the daily, it is stronger that it's selling than buying. But so the daily is making this. So 4 hour is not really making low. So we gotta just be patient. Now we go to 1 hour. So what does the 1 hour do? The 1 hour does make lows, and um, so the 1 hour does make lows. So off the 1 hour, it makes lows because you see this comes here, boom. This is the low. It's not breaking. It's not breaking. It's not breaking. It breaks. This is the high. This is the low. Right? You can say this is the low right here. So boom. Um, let's just delete this. That's the 4 hour. So this is the high. This is the low. So it comes up to here. Boom. It breaks. Boom. 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 So what we would do instead of this, we delete this. We delete this, and then you come here. Wait till price comes here, and wait till it drops. So as long as it doesn't break here, like I said, but you know not to enter price. What if it does come back in a yellow area, comes here, it can't just come back down off a lower time frame, or if as long as it doesn't break here, you could just re-enter. So boom, it comes here. Um, and this is how you close smaller time higher time frame gaps too. Like I said, so it comes here. So say it comes here and it comes back down. It doesn't do this. What would I do? Come here, close this out at break even, just so you won't lose so much, and bring this back down to here. Look at that. That's a six. That's a 6-4 R. That's a 6-4 R. As long as it doesn't break above, because if it breaks above, it's telling you it's not a sell bias no more. So if it could come here and doesn't break above, like it can tap here, but I usually like when I love when price comes above in this area and see that it's not breaking this higher low off the break of structure the break of structure off the 15. Why did I put that there? Why the fuck did I put I don't even know why I put that there. I think it should be up there off the 15, and then boom, I might just be messing up. So boom, that's another one you can enter. Now, I'm gonna show you how much you can enter. I'm not saying it works as long as it hit equal high. So what is the equal high for off the hour? The equal high off the hour is it coming here, coming here. It would have came here, boom, and then hit equal highs. We after it hit equal highs, which most of the time it does, I don't know what the market can do. It can keep going down, but like I said, if it's in a downtrend, it most likely will come down. That's why I try to stay with like the higher time frame trend, because overall, it's a higher percentage that the sales will happen. You just try to, you're never always 100% right in the market. You just try to take the highest probability of the market. So take the highest probability of the market instead of trying to win. So I know overall daily it's a sell. So I will wait till sales happen. You see, I enter off the daily and then I scale in off lower time frames, basically. So you just want to take the highest probability. So now you see after hour, boom. This is the hour break, boom. It breaks off the hour, comes here, boom, bam. It doesn't make new highs. I would have answered. So it doesn't come back up here, but it made a new low. Like I said, it doesn't always happen like this. So boom, it comes here. Boom. You can see hour. It comes here, comes here. As long as it comes here, guarantee if it comes here and goes back below this thing with nice bearish momentum, it could come here, it could come here, and that's it. It could come here. I'm not saying that's the most I know the market can give you before saying, hey, maybe I don't want to go down. But guarantee most of the time, the market usually is just structure. So most of the time, the market has to come here. If it doesn't break this purple line and it comes up and then breaks back above below here, it has to come here most of the time. Like mainly like 85% of the time. But it's either you a hold, you can go break even, you can still hold, or you could just take your profits here. So boom, this would be like a this should probably be like a 101. Like look, so as you can see, this would probably be like a 101. So you'll move the stop loss somewhere like right here, and then your TP. Yeah, it's like a 101. but guaranteed this most of the time happens. But overall trend, you will want it to come to here. So boom, you can just say, hey, you can take the risk and be like, hey, I'm gonna go break even if it come back, but I want to come to here off the higher time frame. So which is that's a 3.5 RR. And you feel me? So that's look how much entries you could get off that, basically, of just scaling in off the daily time frame. It's crazy. Just scaling off the daily time frame is crazy scaling. As long as it hit it's equal highs, it's boom, 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 boom. Be good. So I was just explaining, like you can see, day overall daily, it's a sell. You can see. Look at the trend. Boom. From here, it could come down to here. You scaling on 4 hour. What 4 hour telling me? 4 hour telling me, hey, it ain't really to sell yet. Maybe it ain't trying to sell yet. Boom. I see the hour. Hour is break of structure. I could have sold right here. Boom. Could have sold right here again. Boom. Could have sold right here. Boom. As long as it doesn't break highs, though. Like if it just like you would know not to enter. Like if it comes above this gold bar where I want to sell, don't sell yet. Look at lower time frame. Let it come up. That's what the best thing I like with it to do. And if it doesn't break this area and comes back down, it's most likely going to sell to at least equal highs. Oh shit. What's good, my dog? What's good? Man, I'm just explaining, man, the market, how I see it, man, what I see. Um, I'm looking good, man. I see I'm just explaining the method right now because I was looking at the strategy. I'll delete, I'll delete this one because I would have missed this one. But overall, I probably would have entered this, make it break even because it's keep making newer lows. Um, and then let me see the daily. Overall, it can still come back up here. Don't get it fucking twisted. It can come back up here and just whip back down. But that's just the market. Either you take a break even or you let it come back and just maybe hit stop loss. But overall, markets, the price should come here. Like it can't come up here, close you out, and come right back down. That's what the market just do. Like so sometimes break even ain't the best option. It's just the best option if you add in multiple positions. So like if I add in like this position, I most likely will go break even because it's like I'm in 3 of the same positions. Like I do that with GJ. So like with GJ, like look, like when I entered GJ for like 4 times. So I entered G. This is my overall stop loss. But when I'm entering from here, I'm entering from here, I'm entering from here. I close this out right here because this is my hour stop loss. So my hourly, I'm like, before this breaks, it has to come here. Look, let me see, like so it comes here once I bought right here. It comes here before anything. So boom, it comes here. But if it comes all the way down here, I'm like, it's done for the hour. It can still be good off the 4 hour, but it's like I'm not trying to lose that much. I'm not trying to keep losing because it can't come hit equal highs, come down. But granted, the 4 hour stop loss is the number 3. It could come down right here and it could just come right back up. But that's just the purpose of loving GJ because GJ is such a smooth rider up to the upside. You could scale in. It ain't a lot of pairs you can scale in. GJ is probably one of them pairs you can scale in at. Like I love scaling in GJ because it respects his respect price at almost every level. Because look, 4 hour buy right here, you buy the 4 hour, boom. It breaks off the 1 hour right here. Watch this. Boom, breaks off the 1 hour right here. You bought your 4 hour, I bought right here. Boom, off the 1 hour. Stop loss around here. You know they're gonna play with your stop loss. Look, 4 hour, this is the lowest stop loss. They're gonna play with it. Boom, 15 minute. Watch this. 15 minute. Boom. It breaks structure again off the 15. Because what? Boom. Low, high, low, break, boom, buy, boom, hit equal highs, hit equal highs. Boom. Breaks again. Boom. You could have bought right here. I went break even. Boom. Went break even. Boom. Enter again. Boom. What it does, hit equal highs. You holding. Boom. Comes here. Make a new high. Boom. Comes here. Enter again. Boom. It's so easy. It's just patience, low key. Like it's a long. Sometimes it miss. Sometimes you don't hit your gold bar, and then, like I said, the market can't be perfect. If you think the market is perfect, it's crazy. That's why some stop loss be faked out like this. I didn't want to exit this because I knew the shit was faking me out. Because if it hit this, it would have fucking broke down. Like it would have broke down. Like this would have like it. This is the lowest. It did hit this, but it's not breaking. Look how I look. Wick, wick comes hit. Like it's showing me too much wicks to. It's like okay, I don't want to go down because it's in the upper GJ. Now I passed and then I entered off this when I passed and then I made like 1,005. I didn't need like 3% more. This is the only one I entered off my second account. I entered this jump right here because I still think GJ can sell off. So I might, like I said, I have to be patient with GJ until GJ kind of make new highs off lower time frame. I can enter, but off the daily, it's showing me sales. Like it could come here and it could just wait right back down, but I don't know. That's why I'm patient with GJ. Only way I bought because even if it did sell off, it has to come like right here to sell off of higher time frame. It has to at least hit here, then sell off. It don't have to, but most of the time structure kind of respects it. It don't have to though. It's just a high probability it's going to. Nah, but GJ, I entered this. I got gold. I'm about to enter gold. I haven't entered yet. I'm entering gold 3 times. I'm entering a 0.3 and a 0.11. So the 0.3 is for the hourly time frame. So I'm entering twice off gold because I'm gonna enter from because it's two type of buys. You can enter from here, really to kind of like right here. It's guaranteed gonna hit here before it hits fucking low. Before it hit this, I enter here. There are RR sucks, but trust me, I'm a hold on. I'm a hold on to like I'm at least holding on to here. And then this one is the 4 hour. But I'm making a stop loss here. So if this just as long as this hits, I'm gonna just close out at break even. I'm gonna close out this like if I enter this off the 0.11 and 0.4, once it hit here, I'm closing out at break even. If it hits stop loss, it just hits stop loss or break even. But if it keeps going up, it just keep going up. And then I could really enter another pair right here too. So gold, I'm just looking at gold just to pass the challenge. And then hopefully GJ would be ready by the time I pass the challenge just to get I'm gonna just get one trade in. Hopefully I get about $300, get my $500 back, take the 300. Man, I need 3% more to go. Like I said, I love trading when I really just take my time with it. Like you don't really need to look at the charts all day. You don't need to, man. Doing this shit every day, you don't need to look at the charts all day. It's like you over analyzing. I was in Nas today, but I tried to do some. I was in this trade today, but I really could have held this, but I don't know. I didn't really want to. This is a good because it hit equal highs. Like it came above here, hit equal highs. Boom. I still think it's gonna go. So you can buy again if price shows it tomorrow. Or if price could wick out and then come up hard, I'll buy. 30, 30, I would have bought right here. When I would have bought like right here. Boom, came here. Would have bought probably like right here. Boom. And then I probably would have closed out at break. Not really. I probably wouldn't have closed out at break even. I probably would have closed out like right here. So I probably would have still been in this. I wouldn't have entered this one though until it comes back up. So I probably would have entered this if I was in 30, I would have entered right here. Boom. Until 30, boom. You'd have been down a couple of dollars, but as long just throw your stop loss a little bit low. And it look how much it's respecting it. Just let it respect it. Just let it respect it. As long as it respect like your support, it's telling you it doesn't want to go up because we're in the upper trend off the hour though. I really per se wouldn't buy it because off the like daily, it's a sell. Like I said, off the higher time frames, you want like your time frames to equivalent. Because look, or 4 hours a sell, boom, sell. It doesn't break any highs. Sell, boom, sell, boom, sell. Because look, it can just do this. Boom, sell, come here, come here. Look, if you want to even if you want to see the highest low, pivot high, boom, boom, boom. Before it made a new low, this was the low, breaks here, boom, comes here, breaks here. So this is a strong indication. It could still possibly go down from here and come all the way back down here. And I was hoping it came up because I see retracement here and it broke new lows. But this 4 hour could be a break above here, come here, and as long as it doesn't break this, it could come back above and do that. Like I said, you gotta just really it's really what the market gives you. But overall, 30 is a buy. Like US 30, it overall goes up. So I'm just using probability and statistics to show most of the time it goes up. I'm not saying it can't sell. It's in the sell bias right now, but overall 30 goes up. And if you catch it like right here, it's not as high as a probability in an upper trend. But look, I lost this one right here. I bought right here, bought right here. I thought it was gonna go to here. Never did. Nah, this could be a fake out, or this can come here and sell off here. But overall, Nas is really a buy. It's still in buy mode. It's just in a ranging environment, but it's still in buy mode. Otherwise, till it breaks here, it's still buy side bias. 4 hour, maybe not per se. Yeah, look, 4 hour, maybe not because keep making lows. So, what you can do, I don't really like per se this area of just selling. Uh, like I said, I don't really like this area of selling. So I could um I could just wait, low key, just waiting. Because it just breaks structure off the hour, so it's a buy, boom, comes here, buy, hit equal highs. You never know. Like I said, I'm scared. I'm more comfortable buying because this is just a fake out gold because hey, it's a strong buy indication. So I don't have a problem buying gold. I have no problem buying gold. And off lower time frame, it's just breaking structure. It was in its range in motion. Boom, boom, boom. But you can see from 3 to 4 is buy side bias. But like I said, the market ain't perfect. From 3 to 4, you want to buy. I don't give a fuck if it goes down. Like it doesn't matter. If it comes here, you can still buy. You can still buy. You can still buy. From two to if it comes to two, 80% of the time it's gonna go, 85% is gonna go to 4 as long as it breaks above 2. Number 2. The market is just a fucking zigzag, man. Like, in all honesty. You just have to be patient. Like, the market could do some shit like it could break 2. Like, say you buy here, it could come down here. As long as it doesn't break 3, it could come here, then it could just go right back above. Like it broke above, so it's gonna come to 4, like most of the time. So that's what it's with a long time frame comes in. But this, like I said, we're in such a buy bias. It's like off the 4 hour, I don't give a fuck what this did. And then look, everything is just buy side bias. So why the fuck would you even sell? Just let it drop. Everything's showing me why would I sell? In all honesty, why the fuck would you sell? Unless you're just looking like off a low time frame, you just trying to get in and get out. I see that. Like I could see that. Like I don't even see no sales, bro. Like the only time I would have sold if it came here, it came here and broke below broke below here. I probably won't even sold like below here, and it never did. If it broke, let's see, like right here, and that's a long break. It never did. It's telling you it doesn't want to go down. It's telling you. The market tells you what it kind of wants to do. It's just you really have to be patient. And most people is not patient. Bro, I really lost like one trade trading this way. Like I said, even this one, I could have entered today, but you have to look at some momentum. Like you just have to look at momentum. Like, granted, it broke here. Okay, boom, new break. Boom. So look how much time you get to enter. Boom, new break comes here. It drops down. Drops down. So off the 15-minute, this is new break. It can new break. Okay, boom. You go off an hour. So say you want to enter off the hour. You see this. It comes here, comes down, comes here, comes down, comes there, comes down, comes there. So it's in this range of motion. It breaks out. Breaks out. Boom. As long as it doesn't break this and it holds support, when it come back up here, which I'm willing to buy, because look, as if it's telling you, hey, I don't want to go down. Boom, it comes here, wicks. Boom, and hey, I don't want to go down. I don't want to go down. It comes above here. It can at least hit here. Minimum it can hit here. It's an upper trend, so we hold. It's in an upper trend, so we hold. Because what? From 3, it goes to fucking here. So what I'll do, I will hold. Like most of the time, it could come here. You could take your risk, go break even, boom. But it's majority gonna hit here. It's going to hit here. You want to hold to here, boom, and then hey, it's even going higher. It wants to hold to here. I just don't think it's a sell side bias. Overall, it can off the higher time frame, but I just don't believe it. You just don't want to trade off a trend that's not really trending in that way. Like, granted, you really, it don't even look like a sell. Like, granted, it made new lows, but it really didn't make new lows. Just don't want to break 3. You just have to look at the market in that vicinity. Well, I kind of explained how I do everything. GJ, gold. Gold is probably the best option. Gold, Nas. I really don't want to trade Nas. I'm just really looking for gold. GJ, I probably just wait. Because all of this can come right back down. Come right back down. Boom, it could come right back down. So off the daily though. The daily could show me come here, come back down, boom, it could fill out all of this. But overall, it's a buy. Like overall, it's showing buy side bias, but right now on the daily, it's not really buy side because it broke lows. So if it made like another low off the daily, that's kind of like okay, you gotta sell, bro. But yeah, that's all I got for today, man. I still be looking at stocks. I mark up stocks, and I'm right majority of the time too. Could have bought here, could have bought here, could have bought here. Netflix is going up, but Netflix is going up because fucking a deal happened. I would have bought here, would have bought here, could have bought here. Just off higher time frame. This gas station, gas prices is going up. I like looking at this. It goes up. Yeah, I don't really. I don't, you can look at any stocks, Loki. It's showing Walmart for some reason. Let's look at Walmart. How they showing Walmart? Must have jumped like crazy. Yeah, so Walmart. I don't know. Walmart's doing pretty good. Don't know why, but Walmart is busting. Damn, Walmart busting. God damn, Walmart busting out the fucking gym. Okay, Walmart. Okay, that's why I'm like, why the fuck Walmart isn't? That makes no sense. PayPal. I feel like PayPal is like declining. I wouldn't really invest in PayPal. And technology, boom. Technology hot right now. Technology. Let's look at Tesla, man. Where Tesla at? Tesla. Yeah. It comes here, doesn't break low, come back above. Like I said, I would have just sold off here. Look, like I'm right majority of the time. You come here, you sell off here, boom, it hit equal. As long as it hit equal highs, you're good. I wouldn't personally sell though. I'd just be patient. Just be a patient nigga. Let's look at Meta, man. Meta, I want to see it buy, so I'm waiting for it to come above. Um, even of lower time frame, and I ask this lower time frame you can enter. Watch this. They highs. Not really. Boom, boom. Maybe the 15. Watch this. Oh, 15. Watch this. Breaks the low. Never kind of buys. Kind of never respects it. So you just not buy. You see? Then you'll wait till it breaks again. Maybe like right here. Boom. Comes above. Doesn't really break. Boom. This is kind of respected. Maybe it goes from here to here to here. Like I said, you just be patient. That's all I got for today, man. Just studying the jump, man. I want to bring some more information. New TikToks coming soon, man. Peace.